Okay, in this video we continue from question 6e. For question E, we have 8 outside the bracket. Expand this bracket, you got 8 times 4 plus 8 times q equal to 40. And then 32 here, 8 times q like this, and this is 40. And 8 times q equal to 40 minus 32. 8q equal to 8. And divide by 8. We have 8 divided by 8. This one equal to 1. The next one is question F. 7 will be outside. After expand, you got the form of this. And 133 will be the right hand side. 7p and 49 equal to 133, and 7p in here, 133 minus 49, and 7p you have here is 4, this one is 5, 5 is 8. Okay, and divide both side by 7. Divide by 7, here is 1, this is 2, 12. F we have is 12. Okay. The next one is question G. About G, 8 multiply m plus 7. Oh, we need to expand it right now. Okay. And 8 times 7, 96. Here is 8m plus 56 equal to 96. Yep. 8m here, 96 here, minus 56. For here you got 40. 8m equal to 40. And then divide by 8. 40 divided by 8 equal to 5. For next one, you got here is 8. 22, 2 multiply b plus 2 times 5. 22, 2b plus 10. And divide minus 10, yes, minus 10. This is will be 12, and here is 2b, this is b. 12 divide 2, here is 6 equal b. 6 equal b for question 8. Yeah. Going to question I. 25 will be left. 5 times 2 plus 5 times p. 5 times 2 equal to 10. 5 times p, shorten way for write down. 25 minus 10, here is 5p. This is 15, and this is 5p. Okay, and here is 3, and here is p. Question J, 63, 7 times p plus 7 times 2. This is 63. 7p plus 14, and 63 minus 14 equal to 7p. And now here is 9. This one is for 49. Multiply 7 multiply p. 49 divided by 7 equal to p. This one you got 7. Okay, that is question J. The next one is K. 9 times y minus 9 times 6 equal to 27. 9 times y minus 54 equal to 27. 9y equal to 27 plus 54. And 9y equal to 81. Y equal to 81 divided by 9. This is 9. And the last question will be here. 2 times r plus 16. 32 in right. 2r 32 minus 16 equal to 16. 2r for here. So r equal to 16 divided by 2 equal to 8. Okay. We finished question 6. The next question, you got 7. Solve the equation by expanding the bracket first. That's like question 6, right? The first we have 6 times 3 and 6 times 2d. Of course, for this question, the number become to a little harder. 6 times 2 equal to 12d and 54 for here. 12d in the left, 54 minus 18 will be here. And for now, we got here is, I think, 36. Yeah, 12d for this one. And then divide by 12. 36 divided by 12. We got here is 3. Question B. 8 multiply 7h minus 8 times 7. 56 here. And this is 56h and minus 56 equal to 56. A lot 56 for one question. And the first step, we got plus 56 in the right. And here is 2, here is 1, here is 1. 56h right now. And h equal to 112 divided by 56. This is equal to 2. Okay, that's number B. No space for write down, so I need to clear my slide. 3 multiply 2h minus 3 times 4 equal to 18. And for here, 6h minus 12 equal to 18. And 6h here, 18 here, plus 12. So 6h equal to 30. And then h equal to 30 divided by 6 equal to 5. About D, 27, 3 times 3 plus 3 times 6e. And 27, 9 plus 18e. 27 minus 9 equal to 18e. Yes, here is 18 equal to 18 times e. Yeah, e equal to 18 over 18, and then 1 equal to e. Oh, sorry for my writing. We have no here. 1. That is question D. Going on for question E. Going on for this one. 44. 4 times 3a plus 4 times 8. And for this 44, 12a plus 32. Next one is 44 minus 32 and 12a like here. This is equal to 12 and this one equal to 12a. How about a? 12 divided by 12. You got here is 1. This a. About f. 30 equal to 6 times 5r minus 6 times 10. And here 30r minus 60. Okay. 30 plus 60 in left. And we have no minus 30 in right anymore. And now we got 90 equal to 30r. R equal to 90 divided by 30 and then equal to 3. 9 divided by 3 equal to 3. Yes. Almost done for this question. Here is 10. 5 times 9u minus 5 times 7. 10. 45u minus 35. And here is 10 plus 35 and 45 in here. The left hand side will be 45. The right hand side will be 45u. So 45 over 45 in left. This is equal to 1. 1 equal to u. Question 8. 3 times 3 2q. Oh, expand right now. Minus, of course, 3 times 9 and 39. Here is 6q minus 27. Yes, I can change position or change posing method plus 27 in here. 6q 66, and then we have q equal to 66 divided by 6 equal to 11. Of course, we finish this question.